The UW facilities team is trying to do our part in the buildings to keep them clean and to do high touch point cleaning and disinfecting and to make sure that our ventilation systems in all buildings are maximizing clean airflow through the buildings and operating to peak performance. I'm really proud of the really hardworking, loyal team that is very proud of this university, this campus.
We're housing and food services. We offer on-campus housing and dining. Visitors will see some adjustments. Most of those are carryovers from last year. The other major change, of course, is that students will be vaccinated for COVID-19. We're allocating about 1% of our capacity for isolation and quarantine housing. We have a great program that we developed over the past year to provide support for students in isolation or quarantine housing, including food delivery, and we'll be continuing that program into next year.
We deep clean the restrooms, disinfecting hallways, door handles. We clean the restrooms in the morning and we go through them again before we go home. Cleaning the offices, we disinfected touch points, classrooms, lecture halls. We've gone through everything.
We're measuring airflow in buildings right now. The filters have all been changed, and it is looking good that we have sufficient airflow in all of our buildings. And we are installing air purifiers in all of the small and medium-sized classrooms across campus, and that will be in place prior to the start of the first day of classes. As a result of the pandemic and the health risks associated with that, people have anxiety. We are joined at the hip with environmental health and safety. They're advising us, and they're very happy with what we're doing.
I would like everybody to feel comfortable, safe when they return. Reach out and just let us know what's going on if you need anything.